video is going to show you how to set up and launch an EC2 Ubuntu instance. So let's go ahead and launch instance. We're going to go down to Ubuntu server. You can select all kinds of different images here. We're going to go with Ubuntu server 16.04. So now you're going to pick the instance type. We're going to go with the T2 micro because it is eligible for the free tier. So you get one free T2 micro server per month with a free tier. Next, number of instances 1. Network default's fine. All this stuff is fine. Add storage, 8 gigabytes should be good for most servers. You can add tags if you want. Configure security group. So right now it's set to 000, which means anyone can access it. We're going to go ahead and set that to my IP. So it'll only allow on port 22, which is what you SSH into on your IP. So we'll go ahead, review and launch, and looks good. Launch. And right here, if you don't have an existing key pair, you're going to want to create one. Test key pair. This is to actually log on to the server to SSH into it, and then you can download the key pair. And then launch instances. Okay. And as we can see right now, it's in pending. And yeah, I mean, it is pretty much that straightforward to launch an instance with Ubuntu. And then, this will take like anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to actually launch. So if you ever want to delete it, you can go ahead and stop it. It's going to take a minute or two. Yeah, I'll have a future video showing how to SSH onto a server that you create in EC2. Okay, once it's stopped, then you can go ahead and terminate it. And yeah, you'll probably want to do this because although you do get one for free, you don't want to forget it and then in a year from now start getting charged for a server that you're not using. So you want to be able to tear things down. And you could go to, well, we're going to wait for this to actually get terminated. Then you could go into the security groups. You can actually delete it. That should be everything. Yeah. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.